A sexually active teen who does not use a contraceptive has a 90% chance of becoming pregnant within a year. Educating teens about the consequences of risky sexual behaviors can prevent teen pregnancies, lower STD rates among teens, improve relationships, and more. Valid and reliable information given to the youth and the community as a whole can lower rates of teen pregnancy. Education is the key. Sex has consequences. Get the facts.